people. Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, if you see me for the very first time, I'm Lady BD, a content creator that is based in the city of Owerri, in the state of Nigeria. I welcome you to this family, and if you're my returning subscriber, I love you. I love you so much. So, guys, today I don't even know the title I'm going to give this video. I don't I don't just know, but I'm just going to be talking. And what I'm going to be saying, I'm very sure that you enjoy it. Yeah. So I just finished applying my powder on my face. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not perfect on makeup, so I can't just come here and start showing you guys how I do my makeup on daily basis because I'm not the makeup type. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not just perfect on makeup. That's just it. So I finished applying my powder and this my edges is just going down. I don't know. I'm just losing my edges. My hair edges, I don't know, guys. So I say why I do it. I use this my hair gel hair, my styling gel. I use it to fill it up. And guys, after filling it up, you will not even know that it is artificial. Just watch me do it. So, as I am doing it, I'm going to be discussing some things with you guys. And there are so many things I've seen on this white tea, and it needs to be talked about. It needs to be talked about. I don't know if some of you have also noticed the things that I'm about to say. I'm very sure that so many people have noticed it on white tea. Guys, I'm so tired of clicking thumbnails, of opening thumbnails, and after opening the thumbnails, the thing that is inside the video, I don't even know. After watching the video, if someone asks me what was the person saying, what did the person say in that video, I cannot even say that. I cannot even comfortably come out and say yes, see what the person is saying, or see the title, or see the main purpose of the video, see what the person meant in the video. You can't just comfortably come out and say it. Why? Because people are just saying it, people are just doing it just to make money. All the ego, all the ego. Because before I started this YouTube, when I used to watch people do YouTube, I used to watch it and learn things. Yes, I used to learn. I can come and say, okay, I want to learn how to cook jollof rice. I'll come to YouTube. I'll learn it. I used to learn things, and it is entertaining. Before I started YouTube, I used to see YouTube as a place of relaxation when I'm bored because my husband is not always around. I used to use YouTube to keep myself busy. I would just on my phone and start watching people's video, and I'll be entertained. I'll be entertained. That was even the main thing that motivated me to open my own channel. But unfortunately, what I'm seeing now, I don't like it at all. So that's why I say let me come here and discuss it and say it out. Please, people should just stop it. And what is all this morning routine video? Bath shower, my shower routine. What is all this shower routine? Everybody is doing shower routine, shower routine, shower routine. If you want to bet in your house now, must you come and video it? Must you video your shower routine every day shower routine? Everybody on YouTube now is just doing shower routine. This thing is annoying, you know. It's really annoying. It's really annoying, I must say. Everybody on YouTube now is just all about shower routine, shower routine, shower routine. And a sound warning to these people that are doing cooking video. If you know that you're doing cooking video, didn't tigaka. If you know very well that you're doing cooking video on YouTube, hold your 2 ears like this. Now let me tell you, don't come and start this. Don't come and deceive us. You know that you want to cook vegetable soup. You will use dry meat. You will use pomo. You will use crayfish. You will use stockfish. You will use snail. You will use azungborongbo. You will use oporoko. You will use and you're teaching us, and you're telling us to learn how to cook vegetable soup. Meanwhile, you're using 20 fish, 30 different fishes to cook that particular vegetable soup. Is it how you cook it in your house? You want us to learn, ba? You want us to learn how to cook it. Then you're using all those ingredients to cook it. Now, when we want to cook it in our own houses, how do you want us to do it? Tell me. Tell me how you want us to cook it. When you're using azongorongwo, oporoko, even the one that I've not even heard, even the one that talk of ifiananya, the one nanube nanti before, you're using it and you're teaching me. You want me to learn it and you want me to follow your procedure. Are you teaching me to go and steal? You want me to go and use steal money and buy all those things to cook it so that it will look like your own? Mbanu biko nunu, eh? See, my advice is that let's have two sections of cooking. Let's have the big man section and the average people section, so that somebody like me, I can go to and click in average people section, because I know it's the one that I can afford. You can't just teach me how to cook with hundreds of ingredients and expect me to learn it. I cannot learn it now, because when I want to cook it, if I'm cooking my own, I will expect, if you're using Agungrongo 2, me, I want to buy 2. If you're using Agungrongo 3, me, I want to buy 3 also, so that after cooking it, my own food will look exactly like your own. That is the primary aim of it. And why is everybody doing cooking videos these days? Where are they getting money to buy all those things, all those ingredients, all those fish, meat, that are using to cook? Where are they getting money to buy it? Answer me. See, disclaimers, I don't have anybody in mind when I'm making this video. Even I don't even have any title in mind when I'm making this video. I'm just doing it. I'm just talking. I'm just saying it. I'm spilling the tea. Yes, I'm spilling the tea. And I have to say it. I have to say it. We have to learn. Check Amjukun. You are doing us bad. You are really, really doing us bad. We upcoming YouTubers, we are not helping ourselves. We are not helping ourselves. Chere, my lips are dry. Let me apply something. Yeah. Let me apply something. Just hold on. Wait for me. I'm coming, please. Yes. I think I'm fine now. It's okay now, because I just had dried lips because of plenty talk. So, what was I even saying? Before I started YouTube, YouTube was doing well. And there were no plenty people on YouTube. I'll just come there and learn. Okay, now I've started it. Everybody's on YouTube. I don't know why. Everybody's just on YouTube. For instance, let me ask this question. I said we are not doing ourselves good. Let me ask this question. You will say, okay, you are a YouTuber. You bring thumbnail. How to cook okra soup. Yes. How to cook okra soup. And you now put beautiful okra on the thumbnail. Your title, how to cook delicious okra soup. Okay. You now start cooking your delicious okra soup. That delicious okra soup that you're cooking, I will now open your video. I want to watch. I want to learn how to cook delicious okra soup. Lo and behold, I will now see you cutting okra. You will cut okra. 15 minutes, you're still cutting okra. Then after cutting okra, you will now show me soup that you've already cooked and say, this is the outcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Ha! Is that not scam? This is scam. This is pure scam. Okay, what if YouTube now say, okay, I want to start promoting videos. I want to start promoting small YouTubers. Let me just help them. Maybe this New Year now or Christmas, they say, okay, Gambara small YouTubers Christmas, Let me just do Christmas or New Year for them. They will say, okay, let me start promoting. They will now click one person. The first person, cash. The best person is cutting okra. 5 minutes, that person is still cutting okra. Or the person is boiling water. Or the person wants to do semovita. 5 minutes, the water is still there boiling. The water will be boiling up. YouTube will just get tired and click out. Open the next person channel. The next person is bathing, showering, pouring water on the body. Yes, so guys, I'm bathing. This is my shower routine. YouTube will still be angry and click out again. Open the next person. The next person is showing us what are they saying? What is that? The product I use on my body or something. I don't know how they used to tag it. You're showing us the product you use on your face or on your body. And you want us to go and buy that product. Meanwhile, the face that is using that product is Ntikeraki. Face is just pimples everywhere. 5 colors. Blue, black, pink, purple. And you want us to buy those products and use on ourselves. If you're YouTube, won't you be angry? You that is watching me, if you happen to be one YouTube promoters, won't you be angry? Will you promote your channel? They'll be angry now. They say, these days YouTube children, they're not doing well. They will not promote you. Maybe they've not gotten to my own channel. Yes. Maybe they've not gotten to my own channel to see what I'm doing on my channel. They'll just get tired and just log out and just say, ah, I beg you push, just carry your wahala and go. And they'll keep promoting those big YouTubers that they've been promoting. You're doing us bad now. Eh? In a ochu and you ochu madi now. Ochu madi. And something again, something is fishy. Something is fishy, oh. You see someone that is cutting okra in her video. You see someone that is boiling hot water. That person will be getting 2K views. Where are those views coming from? Kebe views in that Shabia. Whereas you just be in your house struggling to create content, and you're still struggling for views. I tire. Let me just cover my face. Because you might think that I'm saying this thing because of you. Maybe you would think I'm making this video because I'm not even perfect. I'm not perfect. If there is any way, anything that you see that I'm doing that is I'm not doing right, tell me. You can also make a reaction on it. Yes, I'm not perfect. No one is perfect. That's why I'm doing this video. I want it to get to the right people. Let the right people watch it and learn. Because who never enjoy her na YouTuber. Who never enjoy? Okay, imagine when a new person, when an organic subscriber wants to watch, people that are not on YouTube want to watch YouTube. They want to use YouTube to keep themselves entertained. They open YouTube. The first person they see, rubbish. The second person, rubbish. Third person, rubbish. They'll stop watching YouTube. They'll ask YouTube is just nothing. YouTube will scam. They'll say YouTube is scam and they will stop watching YouTube and they've stopped watching me. Quite careful. They're quite careful. Make I not swear for you. Just be careful, though. Make I just cover my face. I'm not saying this because of you. But if you think I'm saying it because of you, and let it be. Let me cover my... Omo, see lashes. Lashes, they touch my glasses. Almost see, eh? Yeah, this one choke. It choke. Lashes, they touch my glasses. So, guys, I rest my case. Be warned. Be warned there. Everything is not all about content. You not just come and say it's content creating. You're creating content and you just be spoiling people's business. Stop spoiling my business, my friend. I'm here for serious things. Stop spoiling my business.